Hello, good day. So, meron tayong example dito uli. So, we have determined the reaction at the supports for the beam shown below. Okay, so we have this setup. So, this is A. Ito yung support niya lang. Fixed, then patayo, 12 meter with a load, 25 kilonewton meter. So, yung 25 kilonewton meter, also known as UVL. UVL stands for the Uniform Varying Load. Okay. Yung previous video, kapag ganito yung given, okay, so this is called UDL, also known as Uniform Distributed Load. Okay. Then, ang ginagawa ko dito, I make the triangular load 2-point load para hindi na ako maglalagay sa equation ng 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. So, I make 1/2 base times height. So, ganun yung pag-convert ng triangular load to point load. So, that is 1/2. What is your base? Your base is 12. Your height is 25. So, the point load is 150 kilonewton. Okay? So, dito, after nyan, I draw the assumed free body diagram for the supports. So, obviously, this is AY. This is AX. To resist the force on the X direction, dahil ito ay paganyan. Although, pag natumba yan, pa-incline. So, kailangan ng resist which is X. Then, I draw also the MA or the moment at A na kailangan mag-resist since ito ay pabagsak ng paganyan. So, kailangan niyang i-resist. So, paganyan ng aking MA. Okay? So, next niyan ay summation of forces X. But since meron tayong forces sa X, so that is AX. Positive ang aking AX minus 150. So, ito siya. Andito siya, di ba? Somewhere here. Which is the 1/3 from the B. So, 150. So, minus siya kasi papunta siya doon. Minus 150 is equals to 0. Therefore, ang ating AX ay 150. Okay? Kilo Newton. Okay? Then, summation of forces Y is equals to 0. AY is equals to 0 dahil wala namang other force na paganyan. Okay? Next, mag-moment at A na tayo. Summation of moment at A is equals to 0. I assume clockwise as positive. So, that is MA. Okay. So, ito. Pa-clockwise ang aking MA kaya positive. Minus 150 times 8 is equals to 0. So, si 150 ko ay papunta ng counterclockwise. Okay? So, pag ganun siya, kaya magiging negative. So, solve natin. So, we have MA as 1,200. So, our MA is 1,200 kilonewton per meter and that is clockwise. Okay? So, tama ang ating assumption. So, ito ang ating sagot. 1, 2. Then, although pwede na may sama si Y kasi 0 lang naman ang kanyang value. Okay? So, that's it for this example. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!